ADA designs and manufactures high-performance IP KVM technology, and we're regarded very highly as world leaders in this sector. One of the big challenges we have manufacturing electronic products is that we have customers who will want to place an order and take delivery perhaps tomorrow or in a week or so, whereas the lead times for components that go to manufacture those products can easily be 26 weeks or more. So we need incredibly careful forecasting, planning and implementation to make sure that we have the right products in the right place at the right time.
Epicor is used throughout the ADA Group in Europe, North America and Asia. We run multi-company, we're a multi-currency business, and Epicor is scalable and flexible enough that we can quickly roll out to subsidiaries and other offices. Staying current on our ERP software is critical to ADA. We believe that it enables us to access the latest product features, performance and efficiency benefits. Since the introduction of the Cirrus platform, it's made upgrading Epicor software easy and seamless. Epicor ERP allows us to maintain a successful customer first-time delivery rate of 98%. Our original ROI on Epicor was a 3-time increase in business within 5 years. We successfully managed to increase by 5 in 3 years.
Growth plans for ADA have revolved around what I call the 2020 vision, targeting 20% annual growth with 20% of the product revenue from new products each year. And we're certainly forecasting that sort of growth pattern over the next few years.